Hello, in this video I'll be explaining how to add number row to your keyboard on HUAWEI P50 Pocket. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings, scroll down, find setting called System and Updates, then Language and Input, Celia Keyboard, then Keyboard, and here just enable Show Number Row. And now just start writing anything, anywhere, basically any application or something to just pop up your keyboard, and you can see numbers here. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.